In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Keepa for Amazon FBA. First, head to the Keepa website and install the Keepa Chrome extension. Once it's installed, open any Amazon product page. Scroll down and you'll see the Keepa chart appear right under the main product information. That chart is your decision-making dashboard. It visualizes price history, sales rank, and seller activity so you can quickly determine if a product is worth buying for FBA. Your goal with Keepa is to answer three simple questions. Does it sell fast? Is the price stable? And is the competition safe? If you can confidently answer those, you'll avoid most bad buys. Start with sales velocity by reading the best sellers rank, the green line on the chart. You're looking for frequent downward drops in that green line. Each drop typically represents a sale. More drops over time means faster selling. If the green line is flat or rarely dips, that signals weak demand and slow movement, which is a red flag for tying up your capital. Focus on a recent window, like the last 90 days, to see current momentum rather than outdated history. Next, check price stability using the buy box price, the pink line. Set the view to the last 90 days and look for a steady, predictable line. A stable price suggests consistent margins and less risk. Avoid products where the pink line crashes because that usually means shrinking profit or a race to the bottom. Also, be cautious of sudden, short-lived spikes upward. Those can be fake or temporary blips that disappear as quickly as they appear. Now, verify Amazon's presence. On Keepa, Amazon being in stock is shown with an orange shaded area. If you see Amazon consistently in stock, it's usually best to avoid the product. Amazon often wins the buy box and can undercut or restock aggressively, making it hard for third-party sellers to compete. No orange shading is generally a safer sign. Balance demand and supply by pairing what you saw in the BSR with seller history. Frequent BSR drops indicate demand, while the seller count reflects supply. If demand is high and the number of sellers is low or stable, you've likely found a solid opportunity. If seller count is climbing while price is falling, competition may be squeezing margins. Finally, double-check profit using an FBA calculator or a tool like SellerAmp. Confirm your ROI, fees, and net profit. Keepa provides the data to evaluate products, but it doesn't calculate your profit for you. Use both together to make confident, profitable buying decisions.